Mastering Conversational English, the art of making up a reason. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you become a more confident and fluent speaker. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, to make up a reason. Understanding this expression is key to mastering the subtleties of English, especially in conversational contexts. So, let's break it down together. When we say someone is making up a reason, we're talking about creating a reason or excuse that is not true or fabricated. This is often done to avoid responsibility or to hide the real motive behind an action. It's a common phrase used in everyday English, reflecting the creativity and sometimes the deception involved in human interactions. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. In a professional setting, imagine you're late to work and you tell your boss that traffic was terrible, even though you actually overslept. Here, you've made up a reason to avoid admitting you woke up late. Among friends, say you don't want to go to a party because you'd rather stay home and relax. Instead of saying the truth, you tell your friends you have a family obligation. This is another classic example of making up a reason. These scenarios show how the phrase can be used in various aspects of life, often to navigate social obligations or personal responsibilities. Understanding the phrase, to make up a reason, is crucial for English language learners for several reasons. It helps in identifying when someone might not be telling the truth in a conversation. It enriches your conversational skills, allowing you to express complex ideas and understand nuanced social interactions. Knowing such phrases can improve your listening comprehension and make you a better communicator in English. To effectively use to make up a reason in your conversations, follow these tips. Be mindful of the context. This phrase is best used in informal settings or discussions about someone's behavior. Combine it with other expressions of doubt or speculation, like, "I think he's making up a reason," or, "It sounds like she made up a reason because." Practice with scenarios. Try creating your own examples or role-playing with a friend to become more comfortable using the phrase in real-life conversations. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, to make up a reason. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and how you can incorporate it into your everyday English. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances that make conversations rich and meaningful. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to make up reasons to speak English whenever you can. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.